Hello, in this video I'll disassemble Xiaomi Redmi Airdots 2 earbuds True Wireless Earphone Bluetooth 5.0. I bought it on AliExpress, and from start using it's working okay, but then audio drops to 0 and you can hear something, then you can not hear something. So I did try to open it to see if I can do something obvious to repair it, but I did not succeed. So I'll show you how to open them. I'll start with the case, charging case. I'll show you two ways, but this is the best starting point from the front. As you can see, I am using a wide prying tool, and it is easy to open it from this side. There is large clip from this side. You can open it with guitar pick and plastic prying tool as well. This is what I'm using, and I want to show you two sides how to open it. And after opening the case, there is battery, 300 milliampere hours lithium 3.7 volt battery. It's useful for some projects to reuse it. I'll use this one on my Bluetooth keyboard. As you can see, it's simple design. There is battery, one PC board, charging port, and controller board. You can see a main board is connected to the battery, charging chip, and a micro USB connector. This golden or brass looking is the negative and positive 5 volt for charging the buds. As you can see, it is not very hard to open this case, and it is not very open the buds itself. I'll show you how I did it. After removing the rubber cover for ear, you can feel with your fingernail where is the connection of this top and bottom half of the plastic. As you can see, the best way to open it is with the box cutter, because it has thin edge. So if you push it and do a little twist, it will unclip, and you can put your fingernail in it and easily open it. As you can see, it is very similar design as the main board, but in smaller factor form. You can see we have charging pins, but receiving side, small PCB board, of course the battery, but smaller, and the other side has the electronics and the audio speaker and Bluetooth chip. It's not very hard to open it if you know where to push the prying tool. I hope this helped you in some way if you want to repair or disassemble similar wireless earbuds. It's very simple design. Thank you for watching, and see you at next video.